Before we start, I would like you to hit that red subscribe button so that you never miss out on any of our videos. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Trendy Gadgets. 7. Entertain your kids. Do you have young kids who have mastered the art of troublemaking? Get them to sit down for a couple of minutes while you handle other holiday tasks by saying, "Hey Google, play a game," and it will choose one from its many options such as tic-tac-toe, lucky trivia, or crystal ball. If playing games gets boring, another great way to entertain your kids with Google Assistant is by requesting, "Hey Google, tell me a holiday story." Or if you have a specific book on hand that's available in Google Assistant's library, you can make a specific request like, "Okay Google, tell me 'twas the night before Christmas." For younger kids, Google Assistant can also act as a direct line to the North Pole. Simply say, "Hey Google, call Santa," and let your children interact with whatever Santa's got on the agenda for the day. Number 6. Play some holiday tunes. One of the best ways to get in holiday spirit is to play festive music, but searching for the perfect playlist can sometimes take the fun out of it. Luckily, you can just ask Google to play holiday music and it'll pick a random playlist from your preferred music app. Or if you have a curated playlist, just make your request specific, like, "Hey Google, play my Christmas playlist on Spotify." 5. Use Google in the kitchen. Do you want to try out some new adventurous recipes for the holidays? Just ask Google to find recipes by making a general request like, "Hey Google, find me Christmas recipes," or something more specific like, "Okay Google, find me a recipe for chocolate fudge." Forget about scrolling through countless web pages to find the perfect recipe. Google is optimized to bring you the best results with minimal effort. If you find a recipe you really love, you can simply say, "Hey Google, add to my cookbook." Just save the recipe to a digital cookbook that you can access at any time. To make your time in the kitchen even easier, consider investing in a Google Nest Hub or Hub Max device. With a smart display, you can get a bigger visual when you ask Google to display your cookbook, as well as get step-by-step, hands-free instructions for the recipes, ingredients, and instructions. Number 4. Record gift ideas right away. There's always so much going on around the holidays, so when you think of the perfect gift idea for someone, you don't always have the time or ability to jot it down. And if you don't write down an idea, you could very well forget it entirely. Let Google Assistant help you out by making simple requests like, "Hey Google, add concerts to Brianna's gift list." This makes it easier to add ideas throughout the year too, so you can build up an easy list to pull from in December. 3. Use Google as a shopping helper. In addition to warning you when a shopping center is busiest, Google Assistant can aid your holiday shopping in a few other ways. You can ask Google to add items to your grocery list as you remember them, so you don't have to waste time sitting down and crafting a list. Also, if you have a compatible app downloaded, like the Walmart app, you can use Google Assistant to shop for you. Avoid endlessly scrolling for gifts by simply letting Google do the work for you and find the best deal. You can say something like, "Hey Google, search Walmart for bicycles," or whatever else you're looking for, and it'll pull results. Number 2. Ask about the weather. There are still fun activities you can do with friends and family in the snow, like skiing, building snowman, and having snowball fights. While you can certainly do these things spur of the moment, it never hurts to plan ahead by checking the weather forecast. You can ask Google Assistant what the weather is like for the current day, the next day, or a specific day to help you organize holiday plans. If it's going to be wet and icy, for example, that's the perfect day to bake some cookies and have a holiday movie marathon. 1. Create holiday routines. If you're not regularly using Google Assistant to plan your day, you should be. Routines are an incredibly valuable feature of Google's virtual assistant, but even more so around the holidays. Whether you create a routine specifically for the Christmas season, or you craft the perfect routines to automate your entire day for every day in the future, it's worth the effort. As an example, you could create a morning routine that automatically tells you the weather and upcoming calendar events, adjust to your home thermostat, and plays energetic music to get you going for the day. Then all you have to say to trigger the routine once it's created is, "Hey Google, good morning." This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos in the future. Also, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen because I'm sure you love them. With that, I'll see you in the next video.